everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a mail call. I thought about doing a mail call Monday, but I can't guarantee I do get mail every Monday, so we're gonna see. I do have plans on upgrading my typeset, which does have quite a few openings, so we may be able to do it, at least for a while, but we'll see. This coin comes from a member of my Facebook group, American Coin Collectors ISO group. I started it more as a, in search of, instead of everybody posting what they have, instead post what you're looking for. And I've actually gotten quite a few different coins, actually some that I've opened up on here from that same group, and so far it's been a great idea. We're almost up to 200 members, and it's helping out a lot. But yeah, it came from a member of that Facebook group. He was also the one that sold me the 3-piece PCGS MS70 gold slab with the 1/10 ounce, the 1/4 ounce, and the 1/2 ounce, signed by Edmund Moy, I think it was. But yeah, this comes from him as well. He just said that he had it and showed me a picture of it. I don't normally collect more of the modern coins, unless it's either filling a spot in the typeset or if it's a great deal, in which case this one really was. I actually didn't know that there was varieties on this coin, but I actually do have more coming from him. Again, he's a great guy, has a lot of great deals, and I love working with him. I do have some more coming, but of course it's in the mail, and as everybody knows right now, everything's being delayed. But yeah, once that comes here, we'll do another mail call. Hopefully it's shortly. But let's go ahead and open this up and get this taken care of. There's no. Alright. Very cool. Yeah, so a 2008 West Point Eagle, reverse of 2007 MS70 by NGC. I just thought it was really cool. I mean, honestly, whenever I first saw it, I figured MS70, I have a typeset, I'm going to need something in there. I am trying to put together a proof typeset, and I have my V75 Silver Eagle for that slot, but it is still sealed in its box from the mint. So this one just fills the spot for right now until I get a proof graded one. But this one was just really cool, and again, I didn't know that they actually had different die varieties on it. They use a 2007 on the back. I didn't know that they actually switched up the design between 2007 and 2008. I'm actually gonna have to look up something showing me the difference between the 2007 reverse and the 2008, what the actual difference was. But actually, hold on, I'll be right back. So after a real quick search on Google, found out that the 2007 is distinguished by the U. So here you just see that it has the nice little curved U shape. Nothing really crazy about that. And then the 2008, as you can, if I can focus it, has that extra little club down at the bottom there. Yeah, so that's a major difference between the two, but still really cool to find something like this where it has kind of a variety, and also to get the MS70. So I was pretty happy with that. Yeah, so it's super awesome coin. I'll be posting as much content as I can. I just wanted to let everyone know that if you are interested in a coin, please shoot me a message on Instagram. I'll post my link below. I hope everyone has a safe holiday. I do ask that you pray for my family, as 6 members have tested positive for COVID. And as always, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you tomorrow for Toner Tuesday.